Are you looking for the best printers? In this video we will look at some of the best printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET3760. Epson EcoTank ET3760 features, functions, scan, copy, and print two-sided ppm rate, 8 ppm, color, 15 ppm, monochrome, connectivity, Wi-Fi. The EcoTank printer comes with ink tanks that can be refilled from bottled ink. Epson estimates that one set of ink bottles provides the equivalent of about 80 cartridges. If you print often, especially in color, this cartridge-free approach can save you a lot of money. The EcoTank's print speed is 15 pages per minute for black and white, and 8 pages per minute for color. Additionally, this unit includes Wi-Fi Direct, so you can print without connecting to a router. A big advantage is that it includes enough ink to print 7,500 pages in black and 6,000 in color, which may justify the printer's upfront cost. Number 2. HP DeskJet 3755 Compact All-In. HP DeskJet 3755 features, functions, scan, print, copy. ppm rate, 5.5 ppm, color, 8 ppm, monochrome, connectivity, Wi-Fi, Smart Assistant compatible. While the standout feature of this printer is its price, it's worth noting that you'll never have to run to the store when you run out of ink again. This printer already includes 2 full cartridges in the box, and with the HP Instant Ink subscription, you can get your first 4 months free. After the trial period, you'll pay less than $1 per month, with shipping and ink cartridge recycling included. This DeskJet 3755 printer is cloud-enabled and connects via Wi-Fi. It's also compatible with Amazon Alexa, allowing for voice controls. You can scan documents directly to Google Drive, Dropbox, and iCloud. It can print from 3.5 inches all the way up to 8.5 x 14 inches, and it can even handle envelopes. Number 3. Canon PIXMA MG3620 Wireless All. Canon PIXMA MG3620 features, functions, scan, print, copy, two-sided printing. ppm rate, 5.7 ppm, color, 9.9 ppm, monochrome, connectivity, Wi-Fi. If you're looking for a quality printer for less than $100, this is the one. You can print from your Android or iOS device, as well as your computer, via Wi-Fi. Additionally, you can quickly scan and copy documents. The Canon PIXMA can print at a speed of 9.9 pages per minute for black and white and 5.7 pages per minute for color. It also has a larger 100-sheet paper tray. Also, this Anchor 3D printer blew me away with how fast and easy it is to use. As the CEO of a portable housing company, I have to visit locations of properties often. The Canon PIXMA MG3620 has become a reliable companion during my location surveying trips, says Michael Daubinski, CEO at Penegrani, who more than 20 years of experience in entrepreneurship and hands-on experience with this printer. Number 4. Canon ImageProGraph Pro 1000. Canon ImageProGraph Pro 1000 features, functions, print photos. ppm rate, 1 ppm, connectivity, Wi-Fi, USB. The Canon ImageProGraph Pro 1000 printer is for those looking to maximize the quality of their images in hard copy. The 17-inch wide-format printer comes with an 11-color setup, the Chroma Optimizer ink system, air feed, and nozzle monitor to improve the print speed and hardware performance. Also, the best photo printers at $850. It's obviously an expensive printer, but it prints high-quality photos. Therefore, if you're a professional or photographer, this is the photo printer to get. Number 5. Kodak Dock Premium. Kodak Dock Premium features, functions, print photos. ppm rate, 1 ppm, connectivity, Bluetooth, USB. If you're looking for a mobile printing solution to produce hard image copies on the go, the Kodak Dock Plus Instant Photo Printer is the best portable option. This mobile printer connects to your Android or iOS mobile device via Bluetooth and is able to print color images at a 4:6 ratio, which is arguably one of the most popular image sizes for displaying photos. This photo printer is for those looking to print photos at a reasonable size with reasonable quality, rather than for professionals or on-the-go fun.